My name is Officer Mullings, and I'm a Defense Logistics Agency police officer. DLA police provide around-the-clock force protection, anti-terrorism, and security operations through police services, facility security, emergency response, and protective countermeasure programs for agency installations and facilities. Do you want to protect with pride and for your career to have purpose? Check out DLA's police program. It may be just the place for you.
My name is Officer Gabriel Golden Singh, and I am a DLA police officer. When you serve with DLA, you will protect supply and distribution centers that contain over 5.2 million items that support the military and government organization. There are opportunities to be a DLA police officer at our locations around the country. DLA offers a variety of benefits that focus on health, well-being, and personal growth. At DLA, we value all our employees and know our mission could never be executed without our skilled police force.
My name is Officer Lauren Peel. I am a Defense Logistics Agency police officer, and here at DLA, the mission is bigger than ourselves. If you're new to federal service, you're eligible for a 3-year service agreement incentive pay up to 25% annually, and a 12-week instruction course at the Federal Law Enforcement Training Center. If you're interested in a government career, DLA is the place for you.
DLA, make an impact.
DLA, make an impact.
DLA, make an impact.